Hello everyone, this is Raj here, techie turned wellness enthusiast. So today I came here to talk about regarding my last post. आपने देखा होगा मैं pot belly reduction के बारे में बता रहा था and the main organ responsible for it's liver. So इसीलिए I thought like let me only come up and share because this is very important organ. If we can take care of it and follow a certain regime, we can have a better health. Okay, so there are multiple ways to repair this organ liver. So I will just narrate you couple of them. So first thing is you can add fiber rich foods. So fiber rich foods, if you see any raw vegetables or salads or broccoli, or there are n number of vegetables are there which can give you lot of fiber percentage in your food. So if you see my plate which I usually shared on my status, it will have at least one salad bowl and one fruit. So this is how it should look like, because the moment we cooked our food, most of the fibers are gone. So we have to consume it through the raw fruits and vegetables. So this is one of the things which can help you in terms of better liver. Second thing is in your daily routine you can add a citrus foods like lemon, grape or orange. For me it's very common that every day, apart from whatever my routine is, I will eat at least one lemon or orange, because it has huge antioxidant properties and it will help you in terms of liver cleansers, and also they will boost the production of liver detoxifying enzymes. Okay, third thing is you can start your morning routine with a detox. You might have observed my status that every day the moment I get up, on my empty stomach I take water and lemon and turmeric. This will help you in terms of overall body detoxifying. So obviously it will help you in terms of your liver also. Fourth thing is basically this is I've been working with people closely for their better health. It's about water fasting. So if you do a water fasting, maybe you can do it every 15 days. So when you do water fasting, what does water fasting means? As it suggests, we have to just drink water. Other than that, we are not supposed to eat anything. So you can do in your morning, and then you can break the fast in the evening. But the only thing is, the moment you break the fast, you should not eat junk. You should eat a nutritious meal, because the moment you eat junk, it doesn't really help you out. But yeah, one thing is sure, even if you try it out on your own in terms of water fasting, you will see your energy level would be much more increased than usual. You won't believe, because as I told, I've been working closely with so many people, and they are sharing their experience that the energy level is really boosting. Fifth thing is basically in terms of supplement, we can consume milk thistle. It's a supplement which will help you in terms of its anti-inflammatory property and antioxidant, and it also reduce liver inflammation. This is very key factor. But only thing is, make sure it's an organic supplement, because I take it and the last thing is we have to increase the concentration of omega-3. So see, omega-3 can be taken through diet. Like if you are a veg source, you can get it in your nuts or broccoli and many other green peas and all. But the only challenge with a veg source is the percentage is quite less. Even from a non-veg source, you will only find it through salmon fishes, the deep ocean water fishes. And I don't think every day it's possible. Even I'm a Bengali, but it's not possible for me also to eat daily salmon fishes. So that's why I consume it through in my daily routine. To suffice the adequate amount, I consume it through omega-3 in supplementation form. But the only thing is I make sure it's organic. That's the thing. So basically, see, whatever I've suggest, if you really follow for 3 to 4 months, I can ensure that you can come out from this liver challenges. And not only liver, because when we take care of liver, many other health concerns also we can stay away. And also, if you wanted to see a quick result, you can do some exercises along with these changes, and anything specific if you wanted to work upon, you can message me personally. I will be happy to help you. And this is what I thought of sharing. I hope I could add some value to you guys. And yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching this video, and bye bye, and Merry Christmas in advance.